Damn, that looks good, don't it? What's up? Got a little update for you. I had to get a thumbnail, so I gave it away, but and excuse me if my voice is weird or it sounds like I have a lisp. I have a tooth that's starting to abscess, and now it looks like I have a permanent dip in all the time. It fucking sucks. So that's a shit show. My fucking mouth hurts. I got 0 hours of sleep last night, and I had to. Part of my job is onboarding people, like new employees, for the place I work, which is cool. I like meeting new people, but man, when you're sick or you're in pain, like dental pain, fucking blows. It's hard to be in a good mood when you're in pretty severe pain. But enough of that. I got some good news today. It cheered me up, even with my fucking horrible abscess tooth pain. So I think in the last video I was talking about getting a Supermoto setup within the next few months. Well, I didn't realize how cheap it would be. I guess cheap in my opinion to get a full setup. Yeah, so I'll take it off my ugly face now. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be rocking. Warp 9 Elites, gold wheel, gold hub, silver spokes. If I don't like the silver, I might get black. I think they make black little slides that you can slide over the spokes, but I think I like the gold, silver look. Yeah, Warp 9s. I got the Michelin Pilot Power 2CT tires. I was going to do like Avon Trail Riders. Trail Riders, is that what they're called? Something that would let me do a little bit of both, but like I said with the dirt tires, I don't know if I said it in my last video, but it's kind of a pain in the ass having a like 50-50 tire. It's better to just have like a dedicated setup for each type of thing you're doing. Like it sucks that I won't be able to just randomly go off road or that far off road with these tires, but when I'm riding on the blacktop, it's going to be way better than trying to find some 50-50s, and vice versa with the dirt on the street. So yeah, that was my big motivation for getting this Supermoto setup. The dirt tires on this suck balls after like 50 miles an hour. It's super sketchy, and I hated how it felt. And I want to ride this on the street more, so Supermoto setup made sense. I went with, it's either Moto X or Motocross Industries. Super happy with their support and customer service and timing. I ordered this, well, I guess from the time I ordered it to when it got here was about 4 or 5 days. So, and these aren't like standard colors. It's gold hub. Silver spokes are standard, but the gold wheel and the gold hub color is not. And everything comes mounted and balanced, which is freaking awesome. It comes in a box, decent sized box. Everything's in good condition. So it's a 150, yeah, 150/60 rear and a 120, I don't know the height ratio front, but I think it's like the biggest you can fit without having like super close calls with the chain guard and shit on the CRF. So yeah, that's why I went with these. They look freaking sick. I love it. And it's gonna match my visor. Oh, and then I got another big surprise. Supermoto front fender. Why did I get white? I will tell you. Oh, and why do I have red? I will also tell you. So I have a white one and a red one. So originally I was gonna do the Supermoto setup and just keep my same color scheme. So I ordered the red Acerbis front Supermoto fender. And the more I thought about it, I was like, you know what? An all white bike with a gold wheel setup would be sick. And plastics are cheap, in my opinion. So I got all white plastic. So it's going to be fully whited out with these wheels on there. And then that's why I bought the secondary white Supermoto fender. But I think I'm going to keep the red too, just in case I want to keep this look. Because now that I'm seeing this color tone on the red, I like it a lot more than I thought I would, honestly. I think it really goes well with it. but we'll have to see. I'll throw the white plastics on there when they come. They're coming from Thailand, but they'll be here in like 3 days. It's crazy how fast DHL can ship from over there. So I'll make a video on that when they get here. The wheels and tires arrived today, so that's why I wanted to make a video. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet just because like I said, I'm in a lot of fucking pain because of my tooth. Audi's still good. Although I have noticed that with the traction control off, the front wheels spin way more than they should before the Haldex brings in the rear. So I may have a Haldex issue. Luckily, those systems aren't really expensive to replace altogether. So bought this car to be more reliable. I think it will be. These typically have Haldex problems that I just wasn't aware of, but it shouldn't be too bad. So that may be on the channel. But for now, I'm gonna throw this together. It's Monday today. We'll see how my tooth feels in the next few days. I might save this till the weekend. But when I do, I'll do a time lapse. I've never done one of those videos, and I think it would be really cool to do. So I will time lapse that. I don't know if I'll do the wheels and plastics at the same time, but either way, sorry, I heard some weird noise. Either way, I will post a video about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys shortly.